beautiful day. Just out here grounding, enjoying the nature, enjoying the beautiful doggies. And just enjoying this beautiful day. Feels good outside. It's not too hot, it's not cold, it just feels really good. And I'm feeling amazing. Out here with my man. He's filming. But I love it. It's a beautiful day. Nature is just beaming. You see that, baby?
Yes.
They are everywhere, the dragonflies. And they're all different sizes and colors. Little tiny ones are the ones I like the most. But they don't always show up on camera though, because they're so tiny they look like a piece of grass. Yeah, but it's beautiful. Look at that dog. Look at the fur baby. He's so precious. Yes, you are. You're such a cutie bunny. Yes, you are, cutie. Aww. Reminds me of Dolce after a fresh fur cut. You are so cute. Yeah. So cute. Adorable. Like, who are you talking to? Are you talking to me?